Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, June the 8th. Wednesday, June the 8th, 2020. In this additional, I've already solved two puzzles, Sudoku with 3 stars and a binary puzzle. And now it's time for the last puzzle for today, the Tectonic with 4 stars. Is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see. But this will be number 4672. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 printed digits. Well, let me tell you, the hard ones have 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. So this one could be a hard one. We will see. And for a 4 stars puzzle, we need, or I need, 30 minutes or more to solve. 30 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Can we see here that's dual boxes? Do we have any dual boxes here? I see here dual box, there dual box. I cannot fill those 2 boxes. Need more information, but let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. I do not know in which order. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Triple boxes then. I see here 1 triple box. There, the second triple box. Triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. So those 2 boxes should be 2 and 3, but I do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember, when you see a triple box, the box near the middle box, this is the middle box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Same for here. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3, this middle box. But this box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. The other boxes could be everywhere. Okay, triple box, quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? No quadra boxes. Only 1. Overlooked. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I need more information, otherwise I cannot fill those numbers. So the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, constructions. For example, let me see here. We have an L shape. L shape rotated. Let me draw this here. We have here the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. L shape. Here another L shape, but rotated upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And do we have more shapes? No. Well. Only 2 shapes that we need to recognize. Well, we have no other shapes of figures, structures, constructions that you need to recognize, but we have here only 2 of them. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 2 that you need to recognize, so it should be a hard one, this one. And why you need to recognize, well, that's the question, why you need to recognize those shapes. Then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. This box, can it be 1? That box, can it be 1? So 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, let me mark those 2 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here in this W area shape. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. No 1 there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there and double 2. So no 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution, place the 1 there. The 1 supposed to be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. That box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. If I place the 2 here, then those 2 boxes can be a 2. But also that box can be a 2. And I need a 2 in one of those 3 boxes. So it's not the solution, place the 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be 1. But this box can also not be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Okay. Let me think. Difficult part now. Difficult part. 4, 5, 2, 1 and 3. Need to think. 2. This could be a 2. This. Okay, 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. 2 and 3. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 1, 5. Come on, think. 3, 4. 1. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. If I place the 2 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there, so it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box should be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. Yes. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. This box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L shape should be there. So now we have 4 and a 5 are left. 4 and a 5. As a pair, 4 and a 5. Well, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 5. Okay. Ooh, this should be also a pair. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 3. Okay, so the 4 should be in one of those 2 boxes. 4, 2, 5. 4, 2, 5. Okay. So the 4 goes there. Okay. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. This box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. We have here 1 and a 3, so 1 number left. Here we have a double 4. So the 2 and the 4 are left. 2 and the 4. Okay. 2 and the 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 4. And I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. But now we have a 4 there, so this box should be a 5. Okay. 1 and a 3. We have a double 1 and a double 3 there. So this box can be a 1 or can it be a 3. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 1 in this W area shape. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. But also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. But also that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there. We see here another 2. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Then. Yeah. 1, 2. Alright. Let me see. This box. Yeah. Come on. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Those 2 boxes can be 2, and these 3 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 3 should be here. Okay, because those two boxes can be 3 and this box can be 3. Then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 3 and a 1. Ooh, depends this box. Okay. Alright. Let me think here. These two boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that their box can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. So no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. 5. Complicated. Overlooked. We have a 1 here. That means that this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 3. These two boxes can be a 3. We have a 3 there. So the 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 3 and a 5. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 2. Now we have 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Then this box can be a 4. This box can be a 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 5. Yes. Then 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Overlooked this 3. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be a 4. Right. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. Well, it's not a 1 star, but it seems a 2 stars instead of a 4 stars. No, it's not a 4 stars. No, it's not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 80 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. New day. New puzzles on Thursday. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.